Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo macarons. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of sifted almond flour, 3/4 cup of sifted powdered sugar, 3 egg whites at room temperature, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. For that classic Oreo look and taste, we'll also use 3 tablespoons of black cocoa powder and about 1/4 cup of finely crushed Oreo cookies. Having everything at room temperature is crucial for success. Now, let's create those perfect macaron shells. Begin by sifting your almond flour, powdered sugar, and black cocoa powder together twice. In a separate, very clean bowl, whip your egg whites until foamy, then gradually add the granulated sugar, whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. Carefully fold the dry ingredients into the meringue using the macaronage technique, aiming for a lava-like consistency. Pipe 1 1/2 inch circles onto your prepared baking sheets, then tap them firmly to release air bubbles. Let them rest for about 45 minutes until a dry skin forms. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your macaron shells for 12 to 15 minutes, 1 tray at a time, rotating halfway through. They are done when the tops are firm and don't wobble. While they cool, let's make the filling. Cream 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter with 3 cups of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finely crush about 10 to 12 Oreo cookies, including their cream filling, and mix them into your buttercream. Whip until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. With your shells cooled and filling ready, it's time for the best part: assembly. Carefully match your macaron shells by size to create uniform pairs. Pipe a generous dollop of your delicious Oreo buttercream onto the flat side of one shell. Gently place a matching shell on top, pressing lightly to form a perfect sandwich. Store your completed Oreo macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator. For the absolute best flavor and texture, allow them to mature for at least 24 to 48 hours before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.